Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another CFAT Practice test questions with answers in problem solving. So in this video, I'm gonna solve 5 problem solving questions, and I will show you how I arrive at the answers. So without further ado, starting right away with question number 1. What is the missing number in the sequence? So we got 86, blank, 20, and 9. So here's our choices. And the correct answer is B. And I'll show you the solution. So in here, the solution is to multiply the number on the right side by 2 and then add 2 after it. So we got 9 times 2 equals 18 plus 2 is 20. So therefore 20 times 2 plus 2 is 42. So if we continue the series, 42 times 2 is 84, and then plus 2 is 86. So now the solution is to multiply by 2 and then add 2. So there you go. And number 2, in a garden, 8 fig trees are planted in a straight line. The space between the fig trees is 8 feet. How far is the distance in feet from the first tree to the last? So this is a little bit tricky, but should be able to figure it out with a little common sense. So here are the answers. Here are the choices, and the answer is C, 56. So it looks like, just by reading the problem, it looks like, oh, multiply 8 by 8 and then 64. But that is incorrect. So the solution is to multiply the number of trees by the spacing and then subtract 8. Because in this case, we are only determining the distance from the first tree to the last tree. So essentially, we're counting the spaces in between the trees. So the solution is to multiply 8 times 8 and then minus 8. So 8 times 8 is equal to 64, minus 8 is equal to 56. Okay, number 3. What is the result of the following? 2 plus 3 raised to the power of 2 divided by 5 times 2 plus 12. So here are the choices, and the correct answer is 22, letter D. And the solution is, we follow BEDMAS, and so we start with the one in parentheses. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and then the exponent, 5 raised to 2 is 25, and then now we continue with division. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and then multiplication, 5 times 2, and then addition, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 12 is 22. So we need to follow the BEDMAS rule, otherwise the prioritization of the operations will be incorrect, and then we will arrive at an incorrect answer. So we need to follow the BEDMAS rule. BEDMAS being brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. All right, number 4. Calculate the value of h. So we got 7h minus 12 plus h is equal to 2h plus 78. Here are the choices, and the correct answer is A, 15. So here's our solution. 7h minus 12 plus h is equal to 2h plus 78. So the solution is to group all the expressions with h on the left, and then on the right side we need to group all the constants. So we get, and then after that we can continue with the operation. 7h plus h is equal to 8h minus 2h is equal to 6h, 6h, and then 78 plus 12 is equal to 90. So now we get h is equal to 90 divided by 6, and then h is equal to 15. And the last problem, we're going to the grocery here. At a Walmart grocery store, Willie bought cherries at a cost of $3.79 per pound. He paid a total of $14.40 for the cherries. How many pounds did he bought? So here are the choices, and the correct answer is 3.8 pounds. So the solution is pretty straightforward. We divide the total cost, which is 14.40, divided by the cost per pound, 3.79, and then so we get 3.8 pounds. Now remember that in the Canadian Armed Forces test, CFAT test, you're not allowed to use calculator, so you gotta use a long division to arrive at the answer. So all right, so this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and I wish you all the best, wish you all the success in your CFAT exam. Okay, cheers and have a good one.